Number 7, we're back to a quadratic trinomial here. 3 parts in it and a squared term at the start, but let's still double check our other scenarios. Like, you should always check for highest common factor no matter what. So you have an x in common here with these first 2 terms, but no x in the third part, so it's not a highest common factor. Have you got 4 parts for factorization by grouping? No, you don't. And have you got 2 parts then that may break down as difference of 2 squares? No, you don't. So it's a quadratic trinomial by process of deduction there. And so without further ado, let's get into it. So we have an x squared term at the start here, so that's going to mean that we're going to have an x at the start of the first bracket and also an x at the start of the other bracket. So you can set it up with your x and your x at the start, and to decide then what goes in here and here, we do this little trick where we say, right, what are the factor pairs of the n number? And this is the longest one you'll come across, unless you're at 64 maybe. That's a long one too. 1 by 36, 2 by 18, 3 by 12, 4 by 9, 6 by 6. So lots of different combinations there. And our rule is this. We go back up to the start here, and our rule is the factor pair must add or subtract to give us the middle number, and must multiply to give us the n number. So that is our rule here of what we want to remember to do. So back down again, and we can see that there we go. So the factor pair is 036. So we want to add or subtract to give us plus 20 here in the middle. So add or subtract to give us plus 20, and multiply to give us the n number. So adding or subtracting to give us plus 20, no way out of 1 and 36. What about 2 and 18? Alright, that's definite possibility. 3 and 12, no. 4 and 9, no. 6 and 6, no. So the 2 by 18 looks the only viable combination there if this is to work. And let's see what's going to happen. Well, adding the 2 and the 18, we get plus 20, which is the middle number. Multiplying the 2 by the 18 gives us plus 36, which is the n number. Cushy. So we put the plus 2 bit in here. That's that first bit there, as you can see. We put the plus 18 in here. That's that bit. And so our factors of x squared plus 20x plus 36 are x plus 2 and x plus 18. And that is the answer to that question in quadratic trinomial.